The ocean is literally the largest portion of our Earth by 70% compared to land, which is only 30%. Climate change not only affects what happens on land, but it also affects the ocean greatly, such as heating up the surface temperature and the rising of the sea levels. Our ocean typically absorbs about a third of carbon emissions from the Earth right now. However, that number is expected to go up by 90%. Coral reefs are vulnerable by ocean acidification as they act like the rainforest but for the ocean. Since 1985, the Great Barrier Reef has been cut down by 50%. Coral reefs provide productive fisheries for millions of humans and it is a huge resource of food for us. About 93% of the excess heat energy has been trapped since the 1970s in the oceans, which contributes to the higher ocean temperatures of almost 0.7 degrees over the last century. The Great Barrier Reef has gone through numerous phases of bleaching, which means the corals are stressed by an unusual environment change, such as increased sea temperatures. Bleaching has occurred in the years 1998, 2002, 2016, and 2017. As global warming continues to be a problem, the more frequent the issue will be. One possible solution, according to the article, would be to, quote, reduce greenhouse gas emissions as soon as possible, end quote.